The other day I watched Matt Damon and Ben Affleck on a podcast. A long podcast, but what they said interestingly is that a human will always be a better actor than an AI. AI can do a script, AI can do motions in pictures, but never be a better actor. Why? Because words, which I speak now, are just words. Yeah? But words carry
emotions.
So
Words,
by carrying emotions, create a truth, which I am now saying to you. Yeah? They're carrying truth or they are fake. AI can generate perfectly sentences, flawless structure, perfect logic.
but
But the truth is not in language. Yeah? Not in language. Truth is alignment. The words which you hear right now from that movie are not just words. They are my alignment, my truth with energy to you. Every single word, every single motion, every single movie which you watch from other people, from this platform and others, is carrying the truth within alignment. Look, you emotionally feel if something is fake or truth. That's why you scroll if by a couple of seconds of that movie you feel something is fake or something is true. Not interesting, but
true.
let's go into details of that. When a human speaks from alignment, yeah, their emotions match their words. Yeah, their body supports the message. Yeah, their nervous system is coherent. Their nervous system is coherent, and the audience feels it immediately. You feel that immediately, if something is true or not. Not in 1 minute. Don't feel that in 10 seconds. You feel it in 1-2 seconds. In 1-2 seconds you feel and you know you want to watch or not, because it is true signal or it's fake signal. That's why you can have two identical videos, one human being and one a robot. They can talk about the same topic, yeah? But only one feels real. And you will feel that immediately in this 1-2 seconds. This is the beauty about being human. It's not about the flesh, the words, the tongue. It is about the alignment, the heart, the signal which we carry as human beings in our body and soul vessel. Yeah? Because people are not listening only to words. We as human beings, we are not listening only to words. We are reading tone, micro expressions, silence. We are reading energy. Look, AI can simulate emotions. Of course it can. We see that on ChatGPT. But it cannot live it. Because it is only AI structure learned from behaviors of millions of people. This is not the same. It is not true alignment. It's not true. Because one soul, one human being, one soul, one unique
signal.
And we as humans, we have this pineal gland antenna to understand this is human, it's real, there is signal. This is this one unique signal from billions of people. This one is here. A human who has felt pain, fear, love, and loss carries truth in their nervous system. AI cannot do that. It never had pain, birth, parents, fear, love. Never. It cannot understand and how to carry that signal, to fake it even.
Fake it even.
And that truth transmits
without effort.
That truth transmits without effort. You feel that in the timbre of the sound of someone who is speaking to you, even right now.
Even right now.
That's why a human being can transmit without effort. Words, remember this, words can be copied. Scripts can be generated, but emotions, emotional alignment, emotional truth, signal cannot
be faked.
cannot be faked. That's why humans will always win. That's why humans will always win. Where truth signal, truth alignment within the nervous system matters. So yeah, I agree with Ben Affleck. I agree with Matt Damon. They said it on that interview. I encourage you to see that. And this was Habit Code. Greetings from Polish beautiful mountains. I'm on a ski resort with my children. It's in the morning, so now I will go to ski school with them. And for now, I wish you a beautiful day and a habit of forming your own signal, because you, as a human vessel, you are unique, beautiful, unique, outstanding. Each one of us people. Listen carefully to you, to your signal, and carry out it outside to the world. Give it to others, serve. Give yourself your knowledge, your signal, your truth. Not because someone pays for it, but this is a collective human consciousness which we as people are creating. And it's totally different than AI. God bless you. Amen. All the best.